can use filter and you can use sort in a protected and edited sheet by simply select all the data and from format just click the lock cells so you can unlock the data cells and then from sheet protection sheet you can uncheck select locked cells and uncheck select unblocked cells. Enable sort property and use auto filter. Okay, you can uncheck edit object and uncheck edit scenario. Okay, provide your password. You will find that you can use sorting and auto filter and you still prevent the user from editing your cells by simply unchecking both select locked cells and select unlocked cells while the data cells are unlocked. Thank you.